I have Honor Play, and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings, scroll down, here choose System, tab Reset, and select here Reset All Settings. So this will reset all settings, all network settings, fingerprints, face recognition data, lock screen password, and other stuff. So if you are aware of this, let's tap Reset All Settings and confirm the operation by tapping Reset All Settings one more time. Wait until the restoring factory settings will be completed. Here you can decide about the location. And as you can see, right now the operation was completed. You can go back and start using your default configuration. So if that video was helpful, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.